Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the completed manga list on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you go to the lower bar at the screen, click to the second icon, the fire next to the updates, and you can find 3 ranking lists: the hottest, the trending, and the completed. Now if you want to check the completed ranking list of the mangas, click to the third option, the completed, and here you can check that, for example, the Insect, the Jujutsu Kaisen, or the Kimetsu no Yaiba, Naruto, and the others. And if you want to read one, just click that, for example the Demon Slayer, and you can find different information about the manga, and you can find the chapters. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.